Welcome, y'all. Back to some more math funness. We are talking about composition and transformation. Now, this one's basically a summation of the last three sections. It's kind of putting a bunch of the rotations, reflections, and translations all together as one. And you're going to be doing that to multiple things. So, for example, here, as it says, a composition of transformations is when you have two or more transformations applied to a same one image. So just kind of test this out right here. So we have a triangle, JKL, with these coordinates right here. So let's start out with drawing those coordinates. We're going to do that in black. Our original will be in black. So 6, -1. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1. There. 10, -2. And then 5, 3, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -3. 1, 2, 3. So this is our triangle right here they're talking about. And let's even put sides to it. Here to here. Actually, let's do it in black so it kind of matches that. There you go. There, there, and there. So that's our triangle, our original triangle, our OG triangle right there, our JKL. So we are going to, as it says, graph the image, graph the triangle, and the image after a translation and then a reflection. So remember, translation, all you do is just add those coordinates to that. But reflection over the y-axis, that means it's going to flip over this way. Now, when it goes side to side, remember, a reflection means it goes side to side, so that means the value of our x would change from negative to positive or positive to negative. Okay, so let's look at that. So we're going to show each step one by one. I'm going to do the first one in red. So we're doing a translation of 0, 4. So we're going to take our 6, -1, 10, -2, and 5, -3, and do a translation, giving us, and it's 0, 4, so 0 to 6, and then 4 to -1, we get 6, 3, 10, -2 plus 4 is 2, and then 5, -3 plus 4 is 1. So this is our first one. It got moved 0, 4. So it'll be at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 10, 2, and then 5, 1. So it got moved up. That's the translation. The vector made it go up 4 units. And then we're going to reflect it over the axis. So we're going to take our new coordinates, our first prime. We'll call these our J prime, K prime, L prime. So J prime, K prime, and L prime are our first transformation. 6, 3, 10, 2, and 5, 1. And then we are doing a reflection. Now remember, reflection over the y-axis, what happens is you take your xy as it is, and when you reflect it, it becomes negative x, y. The x changes. So when we do that, we call this J double prime. That means it got affected, changed twice, giving us now at -6, 3. K double prime, which now puts us at -10, 2, and L double prime, we are now at -5, 1. So let's see what happens. So that should flip over this way since it's a reflection. Let's look how that looks. So we're at -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +3, 1, 2, 3, -10, 2, and then -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, +1. Look at that. It went up and then got flipped over. So as you do the homework, and you're all gonna have a couple of these. Now I'm gonna do I would like to see this right here, and then if you want to show me both things where it started. So start, end. You can do, if you want to do all three, you can, but I really care more about the first one and the last one ultimately. But I do want to see this math so I can see if you did it right. Let's practice one more. So here we're taking triangle DFG, and we're gonna do a 90-degree rotation, and then a reflection. Now, let's go back. So, you remember a 90-degree rotation. We just got done doing that not too long ago. A 90-degree rotation, you go from x, y, and then it becomes negative y, x. I'm going to write that down. So, x, comma, y becomes negative y, x. And then a y equals x reflection. When that happens, it goes from x, y, and it flips it to y, x. It just flips the coordinates. So then, I write that. It goes from x, y to y, x. So we're going to be two sets of different changes. They're going to change it twice. So let's start with our original one. Our original one is at 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit higher. All right. Let's connect those to see what it looks like. All right, so that's what we got. So we take our original coordinates, our D as so 2, 8, 1, 2, and 4, 6. D, F, and G. And we're going to do a 90-degree rotation. So this is going to happen to it. So first things first, we flip the coordinates, 8, 2, and then we negate the first one right there. I'll do that in blue. And this one's red, we'll say. So we're not confused on which one's what. So let me redo that little bit right there. All right, do that in blue. So we flip them and then negate the first one, so it becomes negative 8, 2. Same thing, we flip them and negate the first one, so it be negative 2, 1. And we flip them and negate the first one, negative 6, 4. So that is our D prime, F prime, G prime. Negative 8. So it's 10, 9, 8, negative 8, 2, 1, 2. Negative 2, 1. Negative 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So that rotated, and then we're going to reflect it over this line right here. Remember, the y equals x line goes straight across. So that should end up somewhere over here. Let's see. So when that happens, all you do is just flip the coordinates. So we're doing it to this. So we're going to do it just on the same line. So we're going to just flip, and this becomes 2, negative 8, 1, negative 2, and 4, negative 6. This should be D double prime, F double prime, G double prime. Let's look at that. So 2, 1, 2, negative 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, negative 8, 1, negative 2, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll get the fancy dancy actual straight liner. Do it in red, of course. Straight line. We want a line. We want it in red. Let's connect those. And this is our final product. So it went from here to here, and then it flipped over on this side. So you're going to be doing that twice. And this is the math I would love to see you upload to Google Classroom. Hopefully that's easy assignment. Probably won't be that many. I'm going to give you the odd ones too. But hopefully that helps. Y'all have a wonderful day.